Welcome back to Shez's Healthy Meals. Recipes. Today I am going to make, I don't know, it's like a rice tuna bake type thing. We have it a lot in our house because it's a really simple, quick, easy meal to make, and we generally always have tuna. So I've gone ahead and started already. Excuse me. I'm just cooking the rice. So the amount of rice that you need cooked will depend on how big your dish is. This is mine. So I've gone ahead and cooked 1.5 cups of uncooked rice in my rice cooker. So if you are cooking it raw rather than using like one of those packets, I like to also add in like a half an onion diced to the rice and the water, so that then once it's cooked, the onion's cooked as well. So that's nearly done. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and make the tuna filling part. So I've got 2 tins of tuna in olive oil. So we're going to pour it in and we're going to keep the oil in there. So I know it's a lot of oil. That's why I always aim to get the ones in olive oil. So at least it's better for you. So keep that in there. Otherwise it just turns out really dry. So 2 tins of that, and just get your fork and just sort of break it all apart. That. Just some salt and pepper. I'm a little bit nervous about this salt shaker because the other day I made my lunch and I just filled it up and I went to grind some salt in it and I accidentally took the whole lid off and ruined my lunch. Not happy. And some pepper. Then we'll add some lemon juice. I might just squeeze it with my hand. Oh, it's a tough one. It's not very juicy. So just catch the seeds. Oops. Just get a little bit more out of that with my fork. Slide. Oh, got the weakest grip strength now since I had the girls. I got carpal tunnel with both of my pregnancies, and now my grip strength is shocking. Hi Julie. So just put the lemon in there. Yep, pick out that seed. And then that. Some coriander stems. You can use any part of the coriander, but I like to use the stems. I might just give that a quick rinse. They've got so much flavour, the stems, and most of the time people just chuck them out. They use the leaves up and then they turf the rest, and it's such a waste. Put that into the tuna. Then mix that up. Wow, beautiful.
What's that green stuff, Shez?
This was
Yeah.
coriander stems.
Just the stems.
Yeah, just the stems. Then I'm going to get my cooked rice. Actually, I might just keep it in that. So this is my cooked rice.
Basmati?
Yep, basmati rice. You can use whatever. Okay, I'm going to add the salt and pepper to that. An egg.
Hi, Hearty.
Just mix the egg through while it's still hot. And then I've got my spice mix. This is my Ep2 spice mix, but usually I would just use curry powder. Just this Keen's curry powder. I know none of you will probably have this one, but this is what I'm going to use today. So
that's by far the best one.
Yeah, it's definitely my favourite. Maybe about
Get it from Kyra.
a tablespoon and a half, just to start with.
You can have some of those at the box for people to. Oh no, the box is not open. Okay, you can have some in your kitchen for people to get.
Just mix that through. Maybe a little bit more.
Yep.
Okay. Looking a little bit drier than usual. So I'm just going to put in some ghee. You could put in, if you don't have ghee, you could put in a little bit of olive oil or butter. That's better. Then you just pour that straight into your baking dish. Doesn't need to be greased. Okay, then you can smooth it all out. push it down so it's nice and flat.
Any salt in it?
Yep, there's salt in it already.
Uh-huh.
And just some baby spinach. Whatever you've got really, like in the past, I've sliced up mushrooms and grated zucchini on this layer, but I don't have any of that in my fridge today, so I'm just putting some baby spinach there just to try and get some extra veg in there. And then you just pour the tuna over the top.
Yum.
And just even that out. Excuse me. Then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of nutritional yeast. If you don't have this, again, it doesn't matter. This is just what Marty and I like to add to our cooking. Really good for you, and it gives it a really yummy flavour as well. So sprinkle that on top. And then I would usually put a bit of mozzarella cheese on here, and then it goes into the oven, and basically it's cooked as soon as the cheese is melted. But Marty's not having dairy at the moment, so I'm not going to put anything on top. I'll just put it into the oven for about, I don't know, maybe like 15 minutes, just long enough to heat it up, and that's it, and then it's cooked. So that's it. It's such an easy meal. It's my go-to meal when I haven't prepped anything, because we've always got tuna in our cupboard, and it's healthy and it's super easy. So delicious. So I'll just put that aside because we'll be having that for lunch.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks, Shez.
No worries. Hope you enjoy your day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.